Hi everyone, this is Heidi with WTI, and I love using syrups in my coffee. And these pumps make it so convenient to use them. I can easily control how much syrup I put in my coffee, whether it's a smaller cup of hot coffee or a larger cup of iced coffee. They're so easy to wash with soap and water, and I just simply replace the cover of the syrup with this pump. It turns to open and is meant to be used with the 750 ml size bottles. The gold tone really looks so nice on display, and the pack of 6 was nice because it gives me extras when I add to my syrup collection. Using these coffee syrup pumps makes me feel like I'm at a fancy coffee shop, but I'm just in my own home. They are beautiful on display, and they make using my syrup so convenient and easy. And that's my point of view.